Chapter 1: Disaster Relief Dynamics. Introduction. Disaster relief efforts are typically initiated in the immediate aftermath of a disaster, focusing on the provision of emergency assistance such as food, water, shelter, and medical care. This phase is critical, as the speed and efficacy of the response can significantly impact the overall recovery trajectory of the affected community. However, the transition from emergency response to long-term recovery is often fraught with challenges, including coordination issues among various relief agencies, resource allocation dilemmas, and the need to balance immediate relief efforts with long-term rebuilding strategies. One of the primary factors influencing disaster relief dynamics is the political context within which relief operations are conducted. Political will and governmental policies play a crucial role in shaping the scope and effectiveness of relief efforts. In many instances, the responsiveness of governments to disasters is influenced by political considerations, including the potential impact on public opinion and electoral outcomes. Governments may prioritize certain regions or communities over others based on political expediency, leading to disparities in the distribution of aid and resources. The bureaucratic processes and administrative hurdles inherent in governmental systems can impede the swift deployment of aid, further complicating relief efforts. The role of international organizations and non-governmental organizations, NGOs, in disaster relief cannot be overstated. These entities often bring specialized expertise, resources, and logistical capabilities that augment the efforts of local governments. However, the involvement of multiple stakeholders can also lead to coordination challenges, as differing priorities, operational methodologies, and accountability standards come into play. Effective coordination and collaboration among these diverse actors are essential to ensure a cohesive and efficient response. Additionally, the presence of international actors can sometimes lead to tensions with local communities and governments, particularly if there are perceptions of external interference or a lack of cultural sensitivity. Community needs and local context are central to the success of disaster relief efforts. Understanding the specific vulnerabilities, strengths, and cultural nuances of affected communities is essential for tailoring relief efforts to be both relevant and effective. Community engagement and participation in the relief process can empower local populations, fostering a sense of ownership and resilience. However, achieving meaningful community involvement requires overcoming barriers such as language differences, mistrust of external actors, and the logistics.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?